Hey guys, what's happening? Resolve the missing note option in Instagram Reels. So if you try to open up Instagram Reel and you want to add a note, you can click right here to share, and as you can see, I don't have that feature. So how do we fix it? First of all, what you need to do, click your profile icon at the bottom right, click the three bars at the top right, scroll a little bit down to find the sharing and reuse, right? And make sure to allow people to add notes to your content right here. Make sure that you turn this one on, all right? And when this is on, people can add notes to your posts and reels, and you may not see some notes based on the audience, right? So basically, make sure to add that feature. And as you can see, you can add notes right here at the top if you want to add it, or you can click your DMs in the main page and then just add a note or music note or whatever, right? Or take a picture of something. So next, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and make sure to update the Instagram app. So we're gonna go ahead to the App Store, Google Play, and we're gonna just type Instagram. Make sure to update it to the latest version, right? Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna delete the Instagram. So I'm gonna delete the Instagram, delete the app, double click and reopen it again, or re-download it again from the App Store, Google Play, so you can force Instagram to update any necessary problems inside the app, right? Which might prevent you from accessing this feature. So that should fix it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.